So, hello everyone. Let's solve this gas station greedy problem. So, this is the greedy problem, and we have to approach solve this problem. To solve this problem, we have to use a greedy approach. So, what it means is we have given gas and cost. So, we have to traverse through all the stations. So, first we have first station, and in this first station we have fill up 1 liter of gas. In second station we can fill up 2 liter of gas. In third station we can fill up 3 liter of gas. Okay, but same time, if to reach this first station we have to use 3 liter of gas. To reach 3 to 4 we have to use to reach first station to second station we have to use 4 liter of gas. So this is the cost, how much gas we need. So this is what, so let me write all the gas and cost. So 5, 1 and 2. So first of all, what we're going to do is we'll get a sum of, we will get difference of this two, gas and cost. So over here -2, till -2, over here 3, over here 3. Okay, and now we will get a sum of this. If sum is greater than equal to 0, then we are able to traverse through all the stations. If sum is less than 0, then we know that we definitely sure that always there is always gas short. Okay, we are not able to traverse all the node if some of these nodes are less than 0. So if this is the condition, we will return a -1 over here, like over here. So in example number 2, 2, 3, 4 are gas, and 3, 4, 3 are cost. Okay, so let's take a difference, -1. Okay, -1 and 1 over here. So we get -1 as a total gas. We get this is a difference, so we have to return -1. Even if we get -2, so we have to return -1. Okay, so this is what it is. Now let's think about how greedy using this to get an index of the first element. Okay, so if we have an extra gas, then we can traverse through all the array. So let's try to think about it. Let me just erase this part, this portion of the, okay, I have erased this. Let me just put it somewhere else. Okay, over here I have put it there, so we remember this. Let me draw a line between them. Now let's think about how we can solve this using greedy. If what this indicate, this first -2 is indicate if we have to reach over -2, we have to use -2 gas. So we can sure that this is not the index. Okay, so now we will again go to over here. So we will check whether -2 is less than 0. So again we will go to the next. -2 is again less than 0, so we will again go to next. So over here we get a 3, so we will mark this as a starting index. So start equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. So we will mark as a starting index, and we will as a total, we will add this value into our total. Okay, now we will go to next index. So again this is the 3, so we will add this 3 into our total index, and when we complete this loop, we will just return start. Okay, so we will just return start. So wait a second, what is the happening? You don't know. Let's take how we will get return the start index. So let's take another example. Suppose we have difference like this, my 3, -2, -2, -2 and 3. So in this case we have to return this index, starting index. Okay, so let's again track down this start and total. Sorry, let me remove this. Okay, I have just removed this. Let me write start equal to and total over here. So this is the greater than 0, so we will mark this as starting index. So starting index becomes 0. total equal to 3. Okay, so now we go to next. So we will remove this we will subtract this 2 from the total, so we left 1. Now we will again go to next element. Again we subtract 2 from this, so we will become -1. So our total become less than 0. If our total become less than 0, then we will just give start as to the next index. So this will become our start. So 4 is become our start. Now we will go to the next index. So now we will again this, and now we reset our total equal to 0. Okay, now we will again subtract this 2, so we will get -2. So if we get -2, then we will just change the starting index to next index. So our index become 4. Okay, now our index is 4. Then we will again set total equal to 0. Now we will again check the next element. So this is the 3. So we will add this 3 into our total, and then we get out of the loop. So when we get out of the loop, so we will our start is positioning the starting index. Okay, so our start is always at the starting index where we can start from our traveling. So we have to just return this 4. So now let's code it up this solution. So first of all, let's check if sum of guess minus sum of cost is less than 0, then we will just simply return -1. Okay, so as in example this, if sum become -1, sum become less than 0, then we will just simply return -1. So I have written down that over here. Now let's iterate through the loop, and first of all we will mark start as a starting index, and total over here. We will iterate to each and every element of the then of guess. We are iterate to each and element of the guess. So we will first get total. Total is equal to guess of I minus guess of cost of I. Okay, this is our total. We will increment our total. If total is below, if total go to below 0, then we will mark start as a I plus 1 index, and we assign total as 0, and at the end we will just return starting index. So let's run this code for any compilation error. Okay, let's submit this code. So thank you for watching this video.